First, these are my birds. These are my birds. They are 34 weeks today. 34 weeks today. I just fed them. They are doing very well. This is the second time of feeding them today. The time now is few minutes past 6. No, it's not 3 minutes past 5. Just few minutes past 5. They are doing very well. See them. They're doing very well. Right now, we just started on a very low scale, and our birds are 100, though we have a mortality of 5 in the process. Especially in Nigeria, recently the heat is too much. The heat is much, so due to that, the heat, we lost about 3 birds in the space of a month and 2 weeks. That's 1.5 months. We lost 3 birds, but the rest are doing fine anyway. They're doing very fine. So then I just feed them. They are doing very well. And right now we are recording we are recording 2 crates plus and minus 20x every day. 2 crates plus and minus 20x. The minimum of 2 crates and a half. That's 2 crates and 15 eggs every day. That's the average for our eggs collection every day. So they are doing very well. So talking about the weight, their weight is very okay. Hello. Come on, don't bite. See them? Sorry. Come on. Okay, see. Lifting it up. I don't have a scale here. The weight is okay. Your weight is okay, and water is coming out as expected. So it's not that bad. So just said that I should update you. We are progressing. Hopefully in 2 months' time we are going to restock. We are looking for space. We are going to expand and restock, so that by the time we'll just be growing on and on. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you.